Welcome to Rise and Shine Daily Business Tech Boost with me, Charly Leetham. If you're a small business owner looking to simplify technology and get real, actionable advice from someone with 35 years of IT experience, you're in the right place. Every episode, I'll dive into tools and systems like email, CRM, marketing and tracking, and break them down into bite-sized tips you can use right away. Your time is valuable, so let's get straight to the point. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Rise and Shine, it's your daily dose of business tech inspiration with me, Charly Leetham. Episode number 412 today, and we're talking about IT talent shortages and skills gaps. What does it all mean? What are we talking about here? Why am I talking about this? Well, you're all small business owners, I hope, listening to this podcast, or you're thinking about getting into business and wondering how you handle the IT aspects of your business. Typically, small businesses are not big enough, do not have enough disposable income to pay for a full-time dedicated IT person, let alone an IT team. What that generally means is that the owner or one of the team members ends up taking on the IT tasks. You may be fortunate enough to have an IT person that can come in from time to time and help you out. Typically that's on, in my experience, normally it's a friend. It's someone who is doing you a solid to come in and help you out. Sometimes you just pay an IT support person their full bottle rate to come in and have a look at your systems. What does that mean, though, to the business? Well, it means that you've got limited IT expertise available for complex issues when they occur. It also means that you probably end up with longer downtimes when a problem does occur because it's not your expertise. So you've got to go and look it up. You've got to try and work out what the words mean, what this is, where you find this information. Go and log in here. Well, where do I log in? What do I do here? So your downtime ends up being longer because you've got slower troubleshooting. And you've just got that learning curve that you're going through all the time when you've got a problem. It also means that you might be missing opportunities to adopt new technologies because there's no one there who's looking at your system, your business, and the systems that you have in place for your business and going, this new technology coming along looks pretty cool. I think we could slot that in here. Do you want me to go and have a look at that? What it also means is that you're going to be putting a strain on the people doing the support for you. Now, what I mean is that if you as the business owner are doing it, or you've got a team member who handles the IT queries for the rest of the team and yourself, you aren't focusing on the thing that you're supposed to be focusing on to make your business successful. You're not focusing on what you do best. Your team member, look, it might be that it's your admin person who does all the admin work, who's got a bit of IT skills, bit of an IT gun, and they're handling all the IT issues, so they're not handling the admin. The emails are not getting sorted. They're not getting checked. Things aren't getting responded to. You're not getting accounting systems updated because that's what they're supposed to be doing, but because they're handling other things that aren't part of their job. So part-time support may just be juggling multiple roles. It's going to lead to delays in addressing the problems. It's going to increase the risk of security vulnerabilities or system inefficiencies if it's not impacting on the other parts of the business that need to be done. I already mentioned there, by the way, cybersecurity and new tools. That's the other impact to the business operations is you're not going to be able to, or it's unlikely, got to be careful about using absolutes there. It's unlikely that you're going to be able to address all the things that a business needs to think about in a timely fashion because you're trying to do too many things all at once. How can you upskill? What can you do? How can you manage all of this? My honest recommendation is find someone to partner with. find a service partner or a managed service partner that you can spend a couple of dollars with every month. And it might be a couple of $100 every month, but you get a dedicated amount of time and a dedicated amount of services from them. That you have a problem, you can give them a call. They can come in, they can help you out, they can log into your systems. You need to ask a question about something, you can set up a time to talk to them. That would be my absolute recommendation if you are a small business. I also do recommend that you get some training and you upskill yourself. Have a look at online courses and webinars. I don't mean get down into all the nitty-gritty stuff and need to know all this stuff all at once, but understand how your system is put together. Understand what the different pieces of your system actually do for you. There are courses on websites like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning. They all provide tutorials from basic troubleshooting and cybersecurity fundamentals to cloud services and digital transformations. Getting just a little bit of knowledge will help you talk at a different level with your IT people. If you've got the time, and look, I get that you might not want to do it. I get that you might not have the time. You can go to local tech meetups or workshops and start to learn that way. All of this is going to be a time and energy investment on your part. You can also do some peer learning and mentorships. So form partnerships with other local business owners, join online forums, engage in peer-to-peer discussions, and seek mentorship from experienced IT professionals that can offer practical insight or advice that helps you with the challenges of your business. Honestly, though, the best thing that I think you can do is find someone that you can outsource this to. Someone that can talk to you at your level, explain it to you so that you understand it, and then sits between you, your technology, and your IT suppliers and manage all of that for you. Now, I say that because that's what I do for people. And the reason I do that for people is that's what people needed, and that's what's worked really well for them. My clients adore it. I think they adore it. They tell me they adore it. And what they do is they go, this doesn't seem to be working for me. This doesn't seem to be right. Can you have a look? Right? Sure. And me or one of my team will jump in, have a look, and then we'll come back with some reasoned explanations or some reasoned approaches for fixing the issues that we're seeing. Sometimes our answer is, that's nothing to be concerned about. It's just one of those things that occur. Keep an eye on it. When it does this sort of thing, this is what you need to be worried about. And even that is peace of mind to a business owner. The point is, though, is that you have to strike the right balance. You do need some level of expertise yourself to be able to understand whether you're getting a good deal or not. So you do need to develop just a little bit of IT knowledge, just a little bit of expertise just to keep your business running, and then to talk to someone who can help you out, or maybe do it yourself. Really up to you. What do you guys think? What challenges have you had? How do you handle your IT? What do you do when the emails are not sending? What do you do if your website's not showing up? What do you do if you can't find a customer in your CRM that you know is supposed to be in there? Let me know. Leave comments wherever you're watching or listening to this video. The best place to do all this, of course, is across in my locals community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com. Love to have you there. I'm in there. I'm happy to answer questions that get put up in there and see how I can help you better. If this has been of use to you, please like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you find out when I drop more content, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye. Hey there, thanks so much for tuning in to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost. I hope today's episode gave you some actionable insights that will make your business tech work smarter for you. If you found value, be sure to subscribe, leave a review and share it with other small business owners who could use a daily boost. For more tips, tools and resources, visit www.askcharlyleetham.com. Until next time, keep rising, keep shining, and let's make tech simple together.